Hey guys, Gearbest sent me this rear wheel, so I bought myself the matching front. So today I'm going to be reviewing the set. As you can see, these are solid tires pre-mounted to a set of wheels. If you ever tried to mount solid tires before, you'll know how difficult it can be. Even though you're paying extra for the wheels, having them pre-mounted will save you a lot of time and frustration. In the past, I've reviewed a set of solid tires before, and I didn't like them, but these are different. Besides the obvious holes, the material is different. The old solid tire is made of a high-density foam which wears quickly and lacks traction. This tire is made of rubber, just like the original pneumatic tires. Hopefully this will provide better performance than the foam tires. I'll share my thoughts after I've ridden on them for a few days. Now if you look carefully, you'll see these markings on the motor and the screws used are different than the original, but the build quality appears to be really good, although the performance of the motor will need to be tested. So I'm going to install these wheels and test them for a few days, then I'll come back and share my results. The solid tires offer good traction in the wet or dry, and they provide a sense of confidence that I'll never need to worry about getting a flat. But that's about all the positives I have to say. The ride quality is harsh. I feel all the tiny imperfections of the road, similar to riding a skateboard. Also, the performance has suffered. Top speed is down about 1 km an hour, and the range has decreased about 20%. I also tried using only their solid rear tire, in which I saw a decrease of 10% in range. These tires are not for everyone. They are meant for riders who get flats often and are willing to sacrifice performance. Although a good compromise would be to only use a solid tire in the rear, as the performance wouldn't be an issue and the harshness is cut down in half. That's it for this review. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.